Sultana, oh my God. Hey, Sultana. One Sultana, three Sultana. One. You gonna eat it? He ate the Sultana. He ate the Sultana. He ate the Sultana. Cashew. Yeah? What? What am I looking at? Oh, Adventure Time? Or Marvin the Martian? That's, yeah, Adventure Time. That's Jake and Finn. Is too small for your dad. What? You just finished. Your turn? Yeah. Okay. Remember, both in a hand, all the way on, and we hit. So we go down a little bit. Let Dad hold here. Let Dad help. You hold it there. Hold this one about there. Right? Free hand. So a little bit loose in the hand. We go boom, 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 boom. Your turn. Yeah, let's go. Loose in the hands. Dush, dush, dush. Too loud. Actually, I'm going to kick up. Hold on, Dad's going to do a little bit more. Oh, you do that one. Keep going. Quack, quack. What do you want to do? Hit the duck. Hit the duck. Hit the drumstick. Yeah. Did you hit your finger? What happened? Can I have the drumstick back and hit some drums? Thanks, mate. Do you have a song request? Do you want Apata? Two quack. 1, 2, quack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, quack. You gonna hit the quackers? no. Okay. Hey, drumsticks are for drums and maybe ducks, not for the ground. I ain't done that yet. Hey, you're going to use that lead helmet. We're going to use it? Yes, helmet?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do that. Helmet.